Achelis, Tanzania is part of the Achelis group of companies, a trading house established in 1826, headquartered in Germany, with companies and representatives spread across the globe. They are involved in the procurement, installation, commissioning, and after-sales service of equipment for the following industries: material handling, warehousing solutions, construction, medical and laboratory, security, agricultural, oil and gas, energy, graphics and printing. Achelis possesses over half a century of experience as a dependable equipment supplier, offering high-quality products from select international companies and their after-sales service. Some of the key international brands they represent are Zeiss, Voith, Stahl, Thermo Scientific, Medifa, New Holland, Bornemann, Heidelberg, Polar, Karcher, Hister, Manito, Bomag, and many more. They have become an established name in providing the customers with state-of-the-art equipment at globally competitive prices, while ensuring the necessary level of technical guidance, training, and unrivaled support services. They serve more than 700 customers and supply more than 200 equipment every year and manage approximately 2,000 service requests yearly across Tanzania. By using ebizframe ERP, Achelis has derived various operational and managerial benefits, like getting exact landed cost in case of imported items, derive exact profitability of the product-wise and customer-wise, dynamic cost computation before quotation preparation, able to quickly adapt to customers' dynamic requirements, customer credit control across sales and service module, workflow management for check and balances across all departments, cost center-wise budgeted versus actual profit and loss analysis, statutory compliances, easy traceability of materials by mapping items to bin location, and last but not least, quicker response to customers, whether for sales or service.
A couple of years ago, we were still using cardex systems. We were stuck in the 1960s, if not the 1950s. And ESS has catapulted us into the new century. The key on making these decisions was based on a number of factors. I think the platform on which it runs, through the research that we did, Oracle showed that it was one of the stronger platforms to work on. We also looked around at various customers throughout East Africa, so in Tanzania as well as Kenya, spoke to them and ascertained that ebizframe was in fact well integrated into the community, understood the East African challenges, was in touch with the revenue authorities and their rules within the East African countries, and was able to adapt accordingly. That's another huge feature that ESS is able to provide us, in that they are flexible to listen to our wants and needs, and therefore able to adapt or amend the program so that we can grow with it to the ways in which we would like it to work. Thanks guys, it's a great vote of thanks to the team, especially for the product, ebizframe, super, and thank you very much to ESS and the whole team.
We can get all the financial data, we can have our inventory control, we can have our systems of all the areas like purchase, sales, HR management, everything in place. Plus, we would see the resource planning of the employees. We like to congratulate again the local team of ESS and the local management of ESS for supporting us and stay with us when we needed them most.